The question for today is, would you all ever be up for a threesome?
No.
Would you ever be up for a threesome?
Maybe.
Would you ever be up for a threesome?
Of course, why not?
So what kind of threesomes do you all like?
I personally like 2 girls and 1 guy because, that's amazing. I'll get to see some lesbian action while I'm, over there too.
Yeah, we'll run with you. So basically, the question is that would you ever be up for a threesome?
No.
Never. Not even the best kind.
No.
Threesome.
Threesome as in?
Threesome.
Threesome regarding what?
Like 3 people having sex together.
Not really.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Even if both of them like were your biggest crushes or something.
Not at all.
What about you?
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying.
क्या आप कभी एक थ्रीसम करेंगे?
क्या?
क्या आप कभी एक थ्रीसम में इंडल्ज करेंगे?
थ्रीसम मतलब समझे नहीं।
जब 3 लोग एक साथ सेक्स करते हैं।
सेक्स के बारे में तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं।
Why you always lying?
Would you ever be up for a threesome?
Why not? I want to try it.
What kind of threesomes do you like? 3 guys, 3 girls, 2 guys, 1 girl, 2 girls, 1 guy.
That's something weird. I guess 2 girls and me.
My nigga.
आपका थ्रीसम के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
जी
थ्रीसम
सर बहुत अच्छे हैं।
कभी किया है आपने?
नहीं अभी तक क्या नहीं, मैं वो लेने के लिए बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ सर, मिलेगा तो बहुत अच्छा है मेरे को। अभी नहीं है कोई, इधर मेरा गांव में है और इधर कोई अभी तक मिला नहीं मेरे को।
अच्छा। So our question for the day is, would you ever be up for a threesome?
Depends on the girls, right?
Okay, you're not into guys?
He's hotter than Shahid Kapoor. Yeah, don't say this, please.
Okay, maybe you need to get your eyes tested or something.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Why don't you take off your shirt? Show it.
Really, nigga?
Would you ever be up for a threesome?
Yeah.
So we have a question here. Would you ever be up for a threesome?
What?
Would you ever be up for a threesome?
Really, nigga?
It all depends, yeah. Like it depends on the condition, I guess. I'm fine with twosome also.
Pretty much everyone is fine with a twosome, but what about threesome?
I haven't tried yet, but I don't mind trying.
I am gay. I like men.
Huh? Would you ever be up for a threesome or something?
Not really, no.
Never.
No. Would never say never, but I'm saying not right now. I think these things are a little overrated, really.
Would you ever be up for a threesome?
No.
Never.
Never.
Why is it? Like, do you have some bad experience with a threesome or something?
Obviously, that's the reason why I'm saying no, right?
Would you be up for a threesome?
No, never.
Never.
Would you be up for a threesome?
Of course. Why not? Yeah. Come on. I'm into guys. Yeah, I'm into guys. Let's go. Chal. So our question is, would you ever be up for a threesome?
पास।
Probably he doesn't want to say no.
Exactly. Why I should say no? I should say pass.
Because I actually think you're hot, like, if you were not married, I would actually hit on you.
Now that's a pretty no comments. I'm a wife.
Would you mind if I steal him away from you?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Pass.
3 जने एक दूसरे के साथ एक ही टाइम पर
कर रहे तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं हिंदुस्तान से प्यार करती हूँ, मैं वैसा काम नहीं कर सकती। ये कल्चर सिर्फ आया है 3 जने 4 जनों का, ये यूरोपियन बाहर गांव से आया है।
लेकिन आप देखिए ना, आप पुराने पेंटिंग्स देखिए, खजुराहो में देखिए,
देखिए हमको शर्म आता है, आँखी मूछ लेते हम।
लेकिन वो भी तो हमारे ही हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर है।
नहीं, हरे राम हरे कृष्णा बोल के हम हट जाते हैं, नहीं कर सकते हम।
Wow.
याद तेरी आती है, मुझे तेरे पाती है। याद तेरी आती है, मुझे तेरे पाती है.
Pass again.
All the best. Jai Hind. Jai India.